This is Johnston in activity 10-4, creating static DNS entries. So I'm logging into my server 2. And we're going to wait for our GUI to come up. Now I'm going to go to Tools, our DNS Manager here in just one sec. Alright, and then we're going to expand this, go to our forward lookup zones. And here we're going to right click our when we expand this, our test.dom1.local, and put new host. And inside of here, in our host dialog box, we're going to basically type in web server 1. And then we're going to put our IP address down here, which I have my own custom one. And our web server 1 is going to basically be our server 1 address. Actually, it's going to be our own custom address. There we go. So it's going to be, because our web server was the .1, so this one's going to be .21. And then our next step is basically we're going to create the associated pointer record, and then we're going to do the add host button. Click OK, click done, and then we're going to go to our command prompt. And we're going to type in ns lookup web server 1 dot test dom1.local and press enter. And we're also going to type in ns lookup 192.168.1.21, the one we just created. And this is exactly what we should see. Then we'll go back here, and we're going to right click and do new alias. We're going to put www. And then right here for the target host, we're going to type in web server 1 dot tes dom1 dot local. I'm thinking he must have done a typo in the book, but I'll just keep it that way for right now since that's what's written. And actually that won't even work. I'm going to fix that, because in the next command they ask you to type it correctly. Alright, so I'm going to fix that, and now it's fixed. I'm going to go in here and I'm going to do my ns lookup, and we're going to type in www test dom1.local. There we go, it shows our records there. And then we're going to go back into our DNS Manager console. We're going to go to reverse lookup zones. We're going to right click and do a new zone. Click next. Primary zone, click next. Do IPv4 next. And then here, we're going to type 192.168. Click next. Now we're going to click next again. We're going to do non-secure and secure dynamic updates. Actually, yes, we did that. Next, non-secure and secure dynamic updates. And click finish. Expand this. Look right in here. And then we're going to go right click this, and we're going to go to new pointer. And then under host name, we're going to type 1.21. And then click OK. I was thinking about earlier when I did this, but actually I did put it up here. So 1.21, and then down here we actually put the name. .test dom1.local, and then click OK. And then we're actually going to go in here and do NS lookup 192.168.1.21. And there we go. Shows our name and address and then the loopback address right there.